Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to show off client logos, partner brands, or your own portfolio in a sleek, professional way on your Wix website, this is just the tutorial you need. Today I'm walking you through how to create a logo slider in Wix step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a smooth, eye-catching slider that displays your chosen logos automatically. It's perfect for boosting your site's credibility and visual appeal, especially if you want your visitors to see your best associations without cluttering the page. Let's jump in and get started. First, make sure you're on your Wix website design dashboard. This is the main workspace where you control every aspect of your site. If you're new to Wix, don't worry, everything's pretty visual and intuitive. Just double-check that you're in the editor, not the live site, so you can make changes freely. Now we want to add a new section where our logo slider will live. Look for the option to Add Section. It's usually near the left sidebar. Click that, and a fresh section will sneak onto your page wherever you want it. You can drag it up or down to position it exactly where you think your logos will have the most impact. Adding a section ensures your slider doesn't bump into other content and gives everything enough breathing room to stand out. Once the section in place, let's find the right elements to build our slider. Click on Add Elements or simply Elements. How this appears can depend on your current site's template. Here you'll see a bunch of different features you can drop onto your site, like text, images, buttons, and more. For this tutorial, we're after the gallery options. Go ahead and click on Gallery. Galleries in Wix are designed to showcase visual content in organized layouts. Next, scroll through the gallery types until you spot the slider gallery. This is the star of our tutorial. It lets you show several images in a sliding carousel, perfect for those neat rows of logos you've probably seen on professional websites. Click on the slider gallery to add it to your new section. You'll see some default images pop up. Don't worry, these are just placeholders. We'll swap them out in a moment. Now find the slider spheres. These are the little navigation dots or buttons that appear below your slider. Click on them and then select Change Images. At this point, let's clear out all the default images so your slider starts fresh. It might feel odd deleting everything, but you want only your logos here, nothing distracting. Once it's empty, click Add Images. This brings up the Wix Media Manager, which is like your personal cloud storage for all the graphics, photos, and icons you've uploaded or you can access from Wix's media library. For logos, type logo into the search bar and hit enter. If you've already added your logos to Wix, they'll pop up right away. If not, you can upload them now. Select the logos you want by clicking them. Think carefully about your choices. Maybe these are client badges, partner logos, awards, or even your own branding. When you're happy, hit Done to confirm your choices. And now for the satisfying moment. Click Preview at the top right to see your brand new logo slider live in action. Your logo should glide smoothly from side to side, giving your site a polished, professional edge. Sometimes things might need a tiny tweak, maybe resizing a logo or adjusting spacing, but that's all possible with a bit of experimentation in the editor. There you go, that's all it takes. Your Wix site now has a gorgeous logo slider to impress visitors and showcase your connections. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick, clear tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.